Rebound Saron, jump, visit. Rebound number 23, Marban. Marban nagmamadali, papasok sa loob. Basket count, right? Number 10 to number 21. Pull, jump. Pila, right? Number 21. 21 looking for his opinion. Wow. To number 10, jump. Blocked by Mr. Marban. 4. Say 6, atin to 3. Visit, rebound to Laguna. Yes, for the 2 points, Mr. 7-0. Number 7. Back to number 0. To number 10. To number 7. Yes, for the 2 points, number 23. 23, sumarap to number 3. Jump. For the first period. Camillion. Yes. Warning for penalty. Tinulungan. Mario, number 19. Yes, for the 2 points, number 19. Yes, for the Ono. 29. 5 seconds. 6. Mohon. Rebound number 23. Marban. Daro na. Number 29. Easy basket baru. Number 21. Controlling the ball. Lagi bersumpahnya. Pass to number 19. Jump. Oh no. Just pass. Number 19. 29. 29 speed pump. Liap. Jump. Nakakalaw pag liap. Pinajump na yun. Number 10. Number 10 to number 7. Back to number 10. Back to number 7. Sila lagi dua pasa-pasa. Yes, connect 2 points number 6. Number 23. Visit, rebound number 23. Wow! Bola, iapon. Wow! Number 9 to number 21. Back to number 19. Over! Cross! 26 jump. Yes, connect 2 points number 20. Tao ng iyang panerbisyon sa layo sa Barangay Moralion to Barangay Tinulungan.
Uy! Sabi lo!
Hoy! Acrobatic shot by number 10. Okay. Number 26 jump. Yes, connect 2 points number 26. 1 million. Number 21. Christopher, papasok sa loob. Acrobatic shot. 10 seconds sa clock. 2 points. Number first 5 seconds sa clock. Yes, correct. 2 points. Camillion. To number 10. Papasok sa loob. To number 14. Jump. Yes, correct. 2 points, Mr. Number 14, Tupo. Atin po jump. Wala, rebound number 10. Yes, correct. 2 points number 10.
Switch lang!
Jump. Yolong, rebound po.
Asa lang, Miko! Miko!
Okay.
Box out! Box out!
Number 14, receive 24. Paraguna. Nagbamadali. Connect 2 points Paraguna.
Moving screen
To
rebound!
number 10. Mohon. Rebound Marban. Rebound number 21. Basket count number 21. Let's pass to number 28.
Gatag!
To Marban. Yes, connect 2 points Marban. Intercept number 21. Long pass to number 7. Number 7, foul. Basket count. Ako mo siya. Ha, tali na labaran. Uy, nasi ba ako ano? 1 minute and 15. 2.
Switch lang! Switch lang! Ayun.
21. Wow! Nice acrobat. 15 seconds.
Asa doon?
10 seconds. Number 53, Marban.
Agday ko.
Warning for foul out. Opat na ito.
Nice
Connecting
na.
1 point. Second shot. One shot.
Let's go.
Connect 1.
Hey, kaya!
Intercept, receive 14 to Marban. Connect 2 points from number
Kaya!
2. To Baraguna, kinalua. Yes, connect 2 points, Baraguna.
Yun, pinsa ta. Gawin na lang.
21 is a third personal foul. Connect 1. Time is 2 minutes and 7 seconds for the last period. 14 second shot clock. Intercept number 14. Foul. Number 14. Connect 1 point. Select nila. Okay. 14. Intercept man. Number 14. So number 3. Connect 1 point. 55 seconds. Bukbuk kita terlihat kalian sauna lagi dia. Saudara nakakuha ng trigger mano. Dalawa. Okay. Okay. 10 seconds.